I think it's a good thing at the start of a month to go around and for everyone to introduce themselves and to say why they eat pickles for breakfast every day. That's the way we introduce ourselves here, Annika. And so, hello, and why do you eat pickles for breakfast every morning?
Because they taste very good.
Good answer. I agree. And Annika, where are you coming from?
I'm in Connecticut.
Okay. Welcome. And why don't we just go around to everybody here? So, Solly, say hello and.
Okay, now 10. Hello. My name is Solly. It's 11. Yeah, they taste really good.
And they gave you a cold. You forgot to mention that.
Yeah, I guess.
Oscar.
Hi.
And Oscar, tell us a bit about yourself. Where are you phoning from? For those people who haven't met you before.
Well, I'm in California.
Yeah. Yeah. Welcome. You're a regular.
And so. I don't like pickles.
You don't like pickles? Super kitty cat.
Hi. I like cats. My cat is right here. I've never tried pickles, but I'm hoping to try them. And I am tuning in from McAllen, where it's summer, and it's 7:03.
I haven't heard of the country called McAllen.
Well, not the country, it's a city, I guess.
City.
And yeah.
Okay. Paula, hello.
Hi. I love pickles for breakfast because they go really well with the ice cream that I have for breakfast too. Both together are excellent. and like Oscar, I'm calling from California.
Okay. Dylan, hello there.
I eat pickles for breakfast because they're a great source of fiber.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm calling from the Bay Area.
Okay. Wow, we've got a strong Californian contingent here.
I'm Cora, and I eat pickles for breakfast because they're yummy.
Okay, it's the best reason. Ruta, hello.
Pickles are like, if I had to eat them, I would, but I wouldn't choose to eat them. And I'm calling from Long Island.
Seth.
Hello, I'm Seth. I like eating pickles for breakfast because they're especially scrumptious in a salad. And I'm calling from Philadelphia. Yeah.
Welcome, Seth. Emerson.
I like eating pickles for breakfast because they're sour, but they also taste good. Like, they're not too sour.
Skona.
I didn't hear the original question, but am I supposed to finish the sentence? I like eating pickles for breakfast because?
Sure. Yes. And I hear that you eat them for lunch and supper, Skona. So
yeah,
that's amazing.
I like my pickles, but I ate them with peanut butter when I was pregnant. Slices of pickle with peanut butter in between. No ice cream. And I am in Santa Barbara.
Hi.
Yeah, I like pickles. I could eat pickles for lunch, snacks, breakfast, and supper. And I especially like pickles inside grilled cheese sandwiches, where you pull the bread apart and you have all the stringy cheese and you stick the pickles inside. Especially good.
Welcome.
Okay.
And Taco
Very
Cat.
fascinating.
So
I
Taco
like
Cat.
pickles because cats cucumbers and pickles are the opposite of cucumbers.
Pretty much.
Got it. So today we have some aliens trying to attack Earth because we grow pickles and they don't. And here they are. This is one of their dangerous spaceships. I think this is called a Klingon bird of prey. And there's another view of it. And so thankfully, you guys are manning an ion cannon and you guys can protect Earth. And I'm going to ask you first, Oscar, how long do you want to wait? How many seconds before you attack down here in this lower circle?
Sir, what if we're pacifists?
Yeah, any pacifists here, then you're taking photographs of the aliens and you have to figure out which part of the spaceship you're taking photographs of.
Okay,
How
thank you.
about
How dare they steal our pickles?
Yeah. Oscar, sorry, go ahead.
how about 10?
10 seconds. Okay. So you wait a whole 10 seconds before you take a photograph. Okay. Cora, go ahead. How long would you like to wait here?
15.
15 seconds. Okay. This here, this number can be one of two things. It's lying on top of 10 and 15. It can either be the sum of those two, or it can be a factor of both of these numbers. So in this case, you can choose either. Go ahead, Emerson. What would you like? Would you like a 5 here, or would you like a 25?
25.
Okay. So you wait a whole 25 seconds before you shoot your ion cannon over here. Ruta, go ahead. Tell me what you would like here.
We don't know all the rules yet. We just know that
Nope.
if
Nope.
it's on the top, it has to be a factor or sum.
Do you want one of the rules, Ruta?
Sure.
Okay. So you want to shoot this spaceship down as quickly as possible. Okay, so right now you're taking 25 seconds because 25 is your largest number here.
Are we allowed to do one?
Yeah. Go ahead, do one. And then tell me what this one has to be, Ruta.
16.
Oh, yeah, it has to be 16. Now you might say that 1 is also a factor of 1 and 15, but another rule is that you can never have more than one number the same. So you couldn't have 2 1s in here. So this is this looks good. Seth, can you finish it off?
Okay, well, I guess could you just put 1 right there?
Does that work? The problem is that at 1 second, you don't know where to shoot your ion cannon. Should you shoot it at the top or should you shoot it at the bottom? That's the problem.
Okay, then could you put second, that is 51, I believe. I mean, no, 41. Sorry,
Yeah.
41,
Yeah.
I think.
So you guys have successfully shot down this enemy spaceship or taken photographs of it.
The reason
41
we
seconds.
seconds is because we're thinking.
Yeah, and the problem is that they have stolen pickles in that length of time. All of the pickles from North America and Asia have been stolen, and Europe. Thankfully, there are some pickles left in Australia and Africa, so we haven't lost all of our pickles. So that's the good news. So it is time to celebrate a little bit. But maybe you can do it faster than that, just possibly. So that's the challenge, and that's the challenge of today. So go ahead. Let's see, Oscar, would you like to make the first 2 choices here?
The bottom two of the bottom ones.
Yeah, I think it's best to go at the bottom. Yeah.
Let's do a 12 and a 6.
12 and a 6. Okay. Solly, let's do 2 other ones.
I say that one's 3.
This one here or
No,
this?
that one.
Okay.
And that one 18.
18. Okay. Super Kitty Cat.
So 6 plus 3 is 9.
It is. There you go.
That's
what do you
probably
want
the
for the
lower
top?
number. 18, 19, 20, 6, 27. Up there, when adding, that would be like 27 or something, right?
It would
Or am I
if you
counting
added,
wrong?
but you don't have to add. You can also look for a common factor. In this case, a very, very small one. Very, 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 very small. Smallest possible, like microscopic.
Let's see here.
So you've already used,
factor
you've already used
is-
3. Okay, so 3 doesn't work. So think even smaller than 3. Like think of the smallest number that, what are the factors of 9? 1, 3, and 9. And you've already used the 3 and the 9, right? Factors of 18.
But you have 1.
Yeah.
But
1.
you have 1.
There you go. So what is your score? You guys, you have successfully taken a photograph of this and stopped it infiltrating our airspace and stealing our pickles in 18 seconds. And that is good enough. I mean, unfortunately, North America and Europe have been, all of their pickles are gone, but the rest of the world has still got pickles. So
can't we do in the bottom 8, 4, 2?
Yeah, we can try that. So
because it can't be 1, 2, 3 and
so this problem, we are only going to continue this for a few minutes because I'm going to share this presentation and let you guys go at it because you already know all the rules right now, and we can just why don't we just do it one more time and then I'm just going to share it. So we've got the 8, 4, 2 at the bottom. Annika, could you finish it off as best as you think we could do here? What would be good?
That one would, I think that one should be a 4.
4? We've already got a 4 here.
Oh yeah, then 12.
12, okay.
Then that one will be a 2. No, 6.
6, okay. Oh, and
we got a poll.
We've got a poll, so you guys can, Annika, you can think for a while, and everyone can do the poll thing. You are just writing how many people are at your location. And I'm getting a funny sound. Is anyone else getting a funny sound here? Yeah. But it doesn't seem to be from
I don't think it's...
Yeah, it's from you, Super Kitty Cat, I think.
I can't read it.
Yeah, I think it's... Anyway.
It's not. It's from like that person that was just talking right now. Someone's probably taking a shower in the background.
Okay. Well, funny problem. Okay, there we go. So, Annika, what would you like to have here?
I think that would be a 3.
And a 3 would work perfectly well. Yes. I'm just going to get rid of this poll. And okay, we're going to get rid of that poll now, guys. Guys, let's get rid of the poll.
It keeps on. Yeah.
Okay.
Popping up.
I'm going to share results. Then I'm going to stop sharing. And I'm going to
Guys,
get rid of that.
stop.
Good.
Stop me.
Okay. So in 12 seconds, you guys have managed to take a photograph of this and stop them invading our airspace and stealing our pickles, which is okay. I think that you've done a reasonable job, but see if you can do it faster. So now I'm going to share this here, and you guys can compete. It's not only for this spaceship. You'll find other spaceships on here. So I'm going to copy the link.
What places got all their pickles stolen?
In this case, it was with a 12 in there. It was Africa and Europe, but we in North America, we get to keep our pickles. Okay, here we go. And
Yay.
Yeah. Okay, participants, chat, and here we go. To everyone in the meeting, and there is the link to this presentation. Again, you guys will have to go up to this file here, make a copy.
If you have a Google account.
Correct. You can make a copy of selected slides or the entire presentation. So that's how you do it. Okay. Good.
Okay.
I can't edit
Your
there.
Gord is pickles. Your thank you slide is in the wrong place.
You think?
Okay, you can't. You're correct. You cannot edit. You must make a copy of the presentation, or you can stay with me on this slide. So those are your options. If you stay with me, then we're going to be trying to tackle 3 spaceships coming in at the same time. There can be no duplicates, or we will continue and try to get better. I think actually we should try to get better than this, because 12 seconds is still terrible. It's terrible. You can do better than 12 seconds with just addition. That's how bad it is. Even if you didn't have factoring, you could do better than 12 seconds. So I think, yeah, if you're staying with me, we are persisting with trying to get a better result for this very simple puzzle.
In real life, if we were trying to tackle 3 spaceships at once, that would not be a matter of like math. It would be a matter of how fast you can actually throw.
Yeah, but our ion cannon, like it's strong. It's strong and versatile. Yeah. So Emerson, do you want to take the first 2 shots here? And anyone who wants to stay with me, you're welcome to stay with me. Otherwise, you guys go off and I will come back to you in 17 minutes and find your best results.
I still don't understand the catch here.
Trying to get it as fast as possible. The largest number here we have.
Amount of numbers you can use, because I could just put like 1 1 1 1 1 1.
Did anyone find a problem with that? Why can't we use 1 1 1 1 1? Are you allowed duplicates?
No.
No, you're not allowed duplicates. So if I have a 1 here and a 1 here, I've already lost, because at 1 second, I don't know where to aim my ion cannon. Do I aim it here? Do I aim it here? I don't know. So you've already lost if you have 2 1s.
Why can't we do 1 2 3 4 5 6?
1 2 3 4 5 6.
Let's try. Okay, go ahead.
1 2 3 4 5 6.
1 2 3. Now, is 1 plus 2 equal to 4?
Oh.
No, 1 plus 2 is not equal to 4.
But wait,
Is
what happened
4
to
a factor of 1 and 2? No, 4 is not a factor of 1 and 2. So you can't put 4 up here.
So
And you can't put
there.
3 up here because 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, but we've already got a 3. So you've already...
That 3 and put a 4 there.
Yeah, we
No,
could do
so-
that. We could put a 4 over there. That's
And
totally
put the
fine.
6 up top.
Yeah, that's totally fine.
5 is a prime number.
Is 5 a prime factor? Is 5 a factor of 3 or 6?
No.
No, then you can't put it on top unless it's 6 plus 3. Is 3 plus 6 equal to 5?
So 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 6, 9.
9, okay. So
Wait, no. 1, 2, 3, yeah.
okay, so I'll tell you right now that even just using addition, you can do better than this. So even just using addition without even using factoring, you can do better than 9 seconds. Okay, let's try again. Get better than 9 seconds just using addition, nothing else. Okay, I'm going to ask Angie. Can you, you came a little bit late, so you might not know what's going on, Angie. So do you understand that you can put any numbers at the bottom, but then if you're putting this number here, let's say you put a 6 and an 8 here, then this number has to be either 6 plus 8, or it has to be a factor of 6 and 8. Okay?
Okay.
So Angie, what would you like to put on that? I'm going to start again because we're trying to do this as quickly as possible, meaning not that we're having to speed math and do this inside. Okay, go, 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 go. No, it means that you have to think carefully and what numbers would you put in these 6 different circles so that the biggest number is as small as possible.
3, 2, and 1.
3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1 like that. And what number do you put up here, Angie?
3.
Okay, so you've already lost because 3 plus 3 is equal. They're the same number. So boom, all of the Earth's pickles are gone because this spaceship got through and picked up all of our pickles. So sadly, we cannot have duplicates. Let's go, Emerson. Do you have an idea? And then I'll come to you, Ruta.
I didn't think of a strategy yet.
Yeah, you can just think of it. I'll go to Emerson first, and then you can just experiment with some things. Emerson.
Are we allowed to use like half of numbers or negative numbers?
Nope. Okay. You have to shoot in the future, so that means you have to. It has to be. You could shoot right now, and that would be 0 seconds. That's possible.
You can do that?
Sure, you can shoot right now without waiting at all if you want, but you can't shoot 10 seconds ago because 10 seconds ago has already gone.
That's true, but if you put a 0, you've already lost pretty much.
Why?
Because then if you put anything else in any of the other ones, like say a 1, then 0 plus 1 is 1.
And that's bad.
That doesn't work. So you've already lost if you put a 0.
Yeah, I like your thinking, and you're exactly right.
But are we trying to like beat 12? Did we already do 9?
Oh yeah, well, we did 9, and I'm telling you, not even 9 is
I feel
good.
like we can't beat 9.
I feel like you need to think. You guys need to think more about that. So I'm giving you 17 and a half seconds of total silence now. And I want you guys, by the end of that 17 and a half seconds, I want you to have a solution just using addition. Not like, just imagine that you guys are 7-year-olds and you can only add numbers. You can't do this thing called factoring. You can only add numbers and you have to beat 9 seconds. Okay. So go for it. I'm going to work on it too, because I think I'm right, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm just going to make sure that I might be right.
I made my own copy, and anyone with the link can do it if they want. So if anyone wants to play with me after when the thing is done, then they can do it.
Okay.
Me, Seth, and Sully have a slide too.
Okay, maybe we can share those at the end, and you guys can, if you want to, gather. So we're just going to take a break here. Seth and Taco Cat, do you have a Discord account that you guys are gathering these puzzles? Is that how it's working, or how is it working?
We have a slide with all the puzzles, most of the puzzles, the ones that we got the slides with. And we do have a Discord channel, but so far we only have 3 people there.
Okay, so I would like to join that Discord, and I'll hang out there a little bit and solve puzzles with you guys, and we'll just see how that works. And maybe I make that a part of my normal daily itinerary, that I hang out there and help you guys with puzzles. So yeah, you can share that link.
You can't share a link on Discord. I sent you a private message with my number, so you can add me a friend and I'll make you.
And for the rest of you, we might go there later. So later on this week, I'm going to hang out there and see how this Discord channel works, and maybe we can all gather there. For those of you who want to gather there outside of this class, we can do that. Anyway, you have 17.5 seconds of total silence to try to beat 9 seconds using only addition. Okay. Annika, any insight?
I got 10, but I didn't get anything below that.
Annika, any luck?
I think maybe we could do 1 and 3 in the first 2 boxes.
1 and 3, okay.
And then that one could be 2.
Yeah. And then it's all determined. I can do the rest, and that's 4, and that's 5, and that's 9. So that's equal. You've now done this in 2 different ways. You've got to 9 in 2 different ways. So that's cool. That's cool. Let's Ruta.
I found 6.
Any luck, Ruta?
I got 10 too.
10. Okay. Do you want to share it, or
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Go ahead.
Okay. So at first I put 2.
Yeah.
And then the next I put a 6.
Yeah.
And then that one I put a 1.
Right. I can do it from now on. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. And 7 plus 8 is 15.
Oh, I did for 8 I put a 3.
Oh.
Yeah.
But it's not it's 2 plus 6 is not 3, and 3 isn't a factor of 2. It is a factor of 6, but 3 isn't a factor of 2. So it has to be a factor of both. Like if you put a 12 here, then 3 would be a factor. Then that would be good. Or if 9 was here, then you could put a factor of 3. Okay. Let's see. Super Kitty Cat, did you have any luck?
Well, I did one on my own slide. Let me try to find it. But I'm not sure if it was. It's still 9 at the top.
Okay. Cora, did you get any?
Yep.
Did you get better than 9?
Yeah, I put 2, then 1, then 4.
2, 1, 4. Okay, I can do the rest. And that's 5, and that's 3, and that's 8. Yeah. So I think that's as good as you can get here. In fact, I know there's no way you're going to get better than that. There's no way. Anyone got better than this? There's no way. There's no way. Just with addition. Now, I'm not sure. Yeah, go ahead.
Could you erase all the things?
Yeah.
So I put 3 at the end, whichever end.
Yeah.
Then 1 in the middle.
Yeah.
And then 2 on the side.
Yeah.
So 1 and 2. Oh, okay. No.
Right. They make the 3.
I thought I had 7 there.
Yeah. Now, I'm not sure if 8 is the best if you are allowed to use factoring. So maybe we want to try, if we use factoring, then maybe it's possible to get better than that. So I'm happy to go 2 ways. Just using addition, this puzzle is really interesting. So I don't mind. We don't have to use factoring. And for any of you who just want to focus on addition, this is absolutely interesting. How do you get the lowest possible whenever you've got these 3 spaceships all trying to steal our pickles? How do you do that? How do you go about that? Do you have any strategies?
Any of them, basically meaning you can use, it needs to use 18 different numbers.
Correct.
Oh,
yeah. So not easy, obviously. And this puzzle generally, you can imagine that you can make this pretty hard. For example, we can go to a different spaceship. So in the presentation, in the slides that you got, we have this spaceship, and it's shaped very differently.
Very weird.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to, Sully, what would you like to do? You can either for those of you who are sticking with me and working on these slides together with me, you can either, we can either go do this one, or we can jump up here and do this one. Any preference, Sully? Between
I say do the funny looking one.
this one? Okay. So I'm happy to Taco Cat if you want to suggest the first 3 numbers, or if you just want to do this little threesome here. If you're not working by yourself, Taco Cat.
I was working with Seth on this one, and he had 2 4s.
We found a perfect solution for the one with 6.
Oh, share the perfect solution. And what do you mean by perfect?
So we got 6 as our score.
Oh, absolutely. So a perfect solution. I totally agree. That's a good way to describe it. Go ahead.
So on the bottom row, we put 2, 3, 4.
And in the middle row, we have 5 and 1.
And then we put 6 on top.
And then
on top.
We have 5. Oh yes, and then 1, and then 6, because 1 is a factor of 3 and 4. Exactly.
And I guess that means we solved this multiple times, considering that well, we have multiple solutions because you can kind of parallel this, so you can switch the 5 with the 1 and the 2 and the 4.
Yes. Yeah. So you're always going to have a symmetric solution.
7.
Sorry?
I think I found 7 also.
What do you mean by 7?
For the whole in 7 seconds.
Okay, but the challenge is to get it low, not to get it high. We can get it high probably quite easily. I mean, that is an interesting question. Can you get every number above 6?
20 and 40.
But I suspect that's not quite as interesting a puzzle as just trying to get as low as you possibly can. Okay, Emerson, do you want to give this a go? Let's have 3 numbers.
Sure. 2, 4, and 6.
2, 4, and above it 6. You want up here?
Yeah.
Okay. Super Kitty Cat, do you want to supply the next 3?
Well, how about Well,
12?
no, 3.
3? Yeah.
3, I guess.
Okay. Keep going.
And then I can't do 1 or it's not.
Sure,
I
you can
don't
do
know.
1. Absolutely, you can do 1.
Oh yeah, true. It's factors.
Oh, but wait. What do you put here?
You would put 4, but if you did a factor, you could do
You've already
factor
got
for
4.
3.
Yeah,
You
you've
could
already got 4, so you can't do that.
put a factor for 3.
There's only 1 and 3, so you're out of luck. So that doesn't work. You can't put the 1 there.
Yeah. 5.
Sure.
And then that would be 8.
Sure.
Which isn't too bad, but also isn't too good either.
Okay. Angie, do you want to do another 3?
I don't know.
Okay. Well,
7?
7. Yeah, we haven't used a 7 yet. And what other number haven't we used yet? That's pretty small. Oh, and 5. Are you going to do 5 plus 7, or are you going to find a factor? I'm not. Do you know about factors, Angie?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. So then you should just focus this whole thing. You should just focus on addition. Okay, try to get as low as you can. You saw how powerful addition is. You saw that you could get to just 8 seconds just using addition. So you should do absolutely. You should do all of these spaceships just using addition and try to get as small as possible. So far we've only used addition. So lucky you. We don't have to explore anything more complicated than addition. And it's still a complicated problem. It's not easy to solve this at all, just using addition. By solving it, I mean getting as low a number as possible. And
Without
I don't know the
using
answer. So
without using the same number. Sorry.
Yeah, that's correct, Angie. You can't use the same number. Yeah. Yeah.
12.
So a factor is a number that just goes into a number. So like 2 and 3 go very nicely into 6. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So if you know multiplication, you can figure out what a factor is, but you don't need to do it for this puzzle, Angie. Okay. Annika, are you happy with the way things are going here? Do you want to change anything? And
I think that maybe in the first 3, instead of 2, 6, 4, maybe 2, 6, 8, maybe.
2, 6, 8. And why do you not like the like that would give us 2 8s. So I'm very happy to start completely again, but I'd like to know your reasoning. Like why did you not like our current solution with the 6 on the top there? There it is.
Because in other addition and subtraction, you also need 6, but you don't need 8 as much as 6.
Yeah, even more than for addition. You need 6 to have a common factor with some other number so that you can have a common factor of 2 or a common factor of 3. So I can see that maybe 6 is best used in a different place. I don't know that that's true, but it's reasonable. So you think that a better idea here is 2, 6, and 8. Like that. Yeah, okay. Okay. Dylan and Cora, you're up. Do you want to, do you have ideas before you actually solve it? Do you have general ideas about how you solve these kind of puzzles? You were the one that found this very low solution just with addition. I was wondering, do you have any strategies that you use to solve these puzzles?
That you put smaller numbers on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. And that's for addition, or that's for addition and factoring?
Addition.
Yeah. So for addition, for sure, you want the small numbers at the bottom. For factoring, it's not quite as clear. I agree with addition. Yeah. Yeah. So we have a suggestion that this is a good way. We have a suggestion that this is a good way. I'm happy to help on either one of these. And Cora, if you want to finish off, or if you want to start your own, I'm happy to oblige.
I don't really care what. I don't really want him.
Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, for everyone who is off doing their own thing, I think that includes Seth and Taco Cat.
Taco Cat and I found another solution.
To which one?
To the one you have on the screen right now.
Okay. Please fill up the whole board then.
Okay. So in the bottom row, can you put oh wait, 1 second. Let me get this. In the bottom row, put 6, 9, 7, 2, 5, 4, 8.
6, 9, 7, 2, 5, 4, and 8. Are we using addition, or are we using addition and factor?
We're using both addition and factors. Next one is 3, 1, 10, 12.
3, 1, it can't be 10, that would be multiplication.
Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. Oh, wait. Never mind, then I have messed up.
Okay, okay. No problem. Yeah.
Once we're done with this one, if it takes us like 2 minutes, we should probably like end, because it's almost 7:45.
Yeah. So I'm going to compete right now with all of you. I'm going to try to get the best possible solution that I can. I don't remember the best possible solution I did last time. If there's anybody else who wants to have who wants to share their solution, that's totally fine, and you can do that right now if you want to just yell out a solution. Otherwise, yeah. Anyone want to just pop a really good solution out there? Or it might not be a solution, it might not be the best, but at least it's a try. Anyone?
I have a solution.
Go for it. Go for it.
Bottom row, 7, 4, 8, 6.
7, 4, 8, 6.
9, 10, 12.
9, 10, and 12. Okay.
Next row, 11,
Yeah.
2, 3, 1, and 5.
Oh my goodness. And is that a perfect solution? Oh my goodness. That is sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness.
That's because I love numbers.
Wow.
And when I'm eating my pickles and ice cream in the morning, I play with numbers.
Isn't it also because you love aliens?
That's true. I do love aliens.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, we should probably end here or something.
Yes.
Because it's been 45 minutes.
Thank you, grandmother kitty cat. No, that's really good. I'm glad you keep us on time.